Hi, welcome to Crewe Seat. Here today we've got the 2016 Seat Leon. It's the EcoTSI with FR technology. This vehicle is a 1.4 litre engine, semi-automatic, and it is a petrol vehicle. This vehicle comes with the sport suspension and the exclusive FR front and rear bumpers. This vehicle has the full LED headlight pack, and also the LED door indicators, adjustable heated folding door mirrors, and also rear parking sensors. This vehicle has these lovely silver alloys, and this vehicle is in the solid paint Nevada white. This vehicle comes with the rear windows in privacy glass, and the twin exhaust just on the back there. Vehicle has a nice large boot space and also access to putting the back seats down if you wanted to. This vehicle comes with the remote central locking, and it has got 5 doors. Each door is fitted with the electric window switch and door speaker, and inside is the FR black cloth part leather interior. So the front seats have the part leather and the back seats are black cloth interior, which is all outlined in this red look. Nice amount of space and leg room for the back passengers. Driver's door is fitted with all the window switches. There's the dashboard display, and this vehicle does come with cruise control as well. Here we've got the touchscreen display with access to full link for your iPhones and Androids to connect your phones to for hands-free and your music. Got access to the radio, media system, and the sat-nav as well. The handbrake and the gear stick and the steering wheel. These are all in black leather, all matching the FR edition, and it's got quite a sporty feel to it with the red trim, and it is the flat based sport edition steering wheel. Five people fit in this vehicle quite comfortably, with a lot of space as well. If you're interested in this lovely vehicle, feel free to pop down to our Crewe Seat dealership or give us a ring. Thank you.